Today I'm going to show you how to check the engine oil on a Chevy Colorado. So I'm going to come back, there's a little dipstick back here, I'll show you that. So you come over here on the side of the engine, you see this little yellow thing? This is your dipstick. What you're going to want to do is pull this straight out. When you get your dipstick out, you're going to want to, at least the first time, just wipe off the oil. Get a paper towel or a rag or something like that. Make sure all the oil's off. And to put it back in, this is how you do it. Pull it out. Now if you can see that, it's in the hash mark. So basically this is full and this is low, and there's about a quart between the low and the high. So it's at a good fill level. You'll see that it's starting to get pretty dark. It's time for an oil change anyway. But the oil level is good. And all we do, just wipe that off, you don't have to. But I'm gonna stick that back in. And that's how you check your oil. If you were low on your oil, what you would want to do is take off the oil cap, put a funnel in here, and recharge with as much oil as you think you need. Again, the hash marks top to bottom, it's 1 quart. And then just replace that. And it takes 5W30 on this model. Alright, well thank you for watching and have a great day.